Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing number 295. If we start with this box, we're missing 5, 7, and 8. We've got an 8 here. So 5, 7, oh, the 8 and the 7 there. That means this is our 5, 7, 8. For this box, we're missing 4, 6, and 8. We've got a 4 and 6 here, so this is our 8. I don't see any other help. So 4, 6, 4, 6. For this row, we're missing 3, 4, and 6. We've got a 3 and 4 here. So this is our 6, 4 here, so 3, 4. For this box now, we're missing 3, 7, and 8. We've got a 3 and 8 here, so this is our 7. 8 here, so 3, 8. For this column, we're missing 1 and 9. I don't see any help, so 1, 9, 1, 9. For this column, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 2, 5. For this column, we're missing 3, 6, and 7. We've got a 6 here, so 3, 7, no help here, 3, 6, 7, and no help here, 3, 6, 7. For this row, we're missing 1, 3, and 5. No help here, 1, 3, 5. Oh. We've got a 3 and 5 here, so this is our 1. But no help here, so 3, 5, and we can get rid of this 1. For this row, we're missing 3, 5, and 7. No help here, 3, 5, 7. We've got a 5 here, so 3, 7. 7 here and a 5 here. That means this is our 3, 7, 5. And that 5 makes this our 3, 5. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 6. I don't see any help. So 1, 6, 1, 6. For this box, we're missing 8 and 9 with no help. 8, 9, 8, 9. For this row, we're missing 6, 8, and 9. We've got a 6 here, so 8, 9, no help here, 6, 8, 9, and no help here, 6, 8, 9. For this row, we're missing the 4 and 6, but also a 7, and the only place that can be is there. For this column, we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 2 here, so 3, 2. We can get rid of this 3. For this row, we're missing 1, 6, 7, and 9. We've got a 9 here and a 6 here, so 1, 7. 6 here, 7 here, so 1, 9. 1 and 7 here, so 6, 9. For this column, we're missing 1, 4, 6, and 7. We've got 4 and 6 here, so 1, 7. So now if we look at that column, the only place the 4 can be is here, and that makes this our 6. The only place our 6 can be is here, so that makes this our 1. That 1 makes this our 9. That 9 makes this our 6, 7, 1, 7. That 7 makes this our 3. The 3 and 7 makes this our 6. All right, for this box now we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 4 here, so 5, 4. For this row now we're missing 1, 3, 7, and 9. We've got 1, 3, and 7 here, so that makes this our 9. And that 9 makes this our 1, 9. We've got a 7 here, so 3, 7. That 9 makes this our 8, 9. That 9 makes this our 8. For this box now, we're missing 1, 2, and 8. We've got a 2 and 8 here, so this is our 1. 2 here, so 8, 2. So the 6 and 8 here make this our 9 and our 6. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.